I found these 4 very similar homes that have recently been for sale in Boulder, Louisville, Lafayette, and Longmont, Colorado. And I've put them side by side with the actual values to show you the differences in what you can buy in each of these areas. All of these towns are so close to each other, they border each other and practically run together here in Boulder County. If you are thinking of moving to the greater Boulder, Colorado area and would like to know more about these neighboring towns of Louisville, Lafayette, Longmont, in terms of what lifestyle you can have in each area and what the housing costs are, then stay tuned because I'm going to familiarize you with these areas and we're starting right now. Hi, I'm Marilyn Ackerman, your guide for today. I have lived in the greater Boulder, Colorado area for 3 decades. I sell real estate here with HomeSmart Realty. I love where I live and where I work. If questions come up while I'm taking you around today, just call, text, or email me and I will personally answer your questions. Boulder County has 329,000 people. Boulder's in the center and Boulder has 105,000 people. Longmont is the next largest with 98,000 people. Then Louisville has 21,000 people and Lafayette has 29,000 people. I'm going to go over lifestyle in terms of staying fit, housing prices. I'll briefly touch on schools and nightlife and the commute. Let's start with lifestyle. For lifestyle, in Boulder, you are so close to world-class hiking trails like Chautauqua Park where I am now. Depending on where you live, you can walk or bike to amazing mountain trails. There's also the Boulder Reservoir for paddleboarding and swimming. Now, will you miss all this recreation in other areas? Absolutely not. Louisville and Lafayette have the Coal Creek Trail, a 12-mile path along the Coal Creek with incredible mountain views. Louisville's Harper Lake with a gorgeous trail around it and views. Lafayette has Waneka Lake. All of these are terrific for walking or jogging around or biking. Now there's no swimming in those lakes though. Longmont has the St. Vrain Greenway with a 12-mile biking path around it where people can also float down that river. McIntosh Lake is also in Longmont with a gorgeous 3.5-mile loop and unbelievable mountain views. They also have Union Reservoir where you can swim, paddleboard, and go fishing. If you want to stay fit outdoors, you will have the opportunity in all of these communities. Let's move straight to home prices. Median home prices for these areas are in Boulder, $1.2 million. And here's an example of homes in that price range. In Louisville, about $825,000, and here's what that looks like right now. In Lafayette, the median is $750,000, and here's some homes in Lafayette. Longmont is at about $557,000, and here's a neighborhood in that price range. Remember those 4 homes I showed you? Here they are. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of difference. Boulder is, of course, the highest price by far, and it will have a lot to do with proximity to employment, the mountains, and schools play a part, but not so much. There are A-rated schools in all of these areas. You'll have more A-rated schools in Boulder and Louisville than in Longmont and Lafayette, but there are still excellent schools in those areas. You're probably wondering which area is the best investment. Well, here's how much home values have increased in the last 10 years for the different areas. In Boulder, home values have increased 207%. In Louisville, 214%. In Lafayette, homes went up 222% in the last 10 years. And in Longmont, it's very similar at 223%. Now, Longmont and Lafayette had the biggest increases just because they were starting at the lower prices, and they still are. Therefore, they're more affordable for more people, and that does keep driving up the prices. So they always do, year over year, have a bit more of an increase than Boulder does. Here's another fun picture comparison. Say you want a bigger, newer house, like one of these. These are similar homes in the different areas, just to show you how far your money will go at this price range. As you can see, of course, Boulder was the highest price, and then Louisville, and then Longmont was third, and Lafayette the next highest. So where to live in the greater Boulder area comes down to getting the best house for the lifestyle you want. For lifestyle, if you want to go out more than 1 or 2 nights per week, you'll probably want to live in Boulder or as close to it as possible. The Pearl Street Mall has a lot going on. This is the most vibrant downtown in the area. Downtown Louisville has a very happening nightlife scene also. There's concerts on Friday nights throughout the summer. There's also dining outdoors. Lafayette has a great downtown also with several restaurants, and it's fun to walk around. Longmont has a downtown of several blocks and many hot spots. There's at least a dozen local breweries in Longmont. Let's talk about commute time. Say you are working in Boulder and you live in Louisville. It's an 18-minute commute about. From Lafayette, about a 23-minute commute. From Longmont, it's about a 27-minute commute to Boulder. So given all of these factors, I hope you have some more insight into which area is best for you. For even more information, please download my free Greater Boulder Relocation Guide. I'm putting a link in the top comment below. You're also welcome to contact me directly. Selling real estate in the Greater Boulder area, I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people who are relocating here, and I absolutely love it. I'm here to answer your questions and help you make the Greater Boulder area your home.